Alright boys, this is the beginning of the video. I'm having a good time with life right now just because of the fact that I've been working nights at the shop, and during the day I have time to get errands done and whatnot. Just so you guys didn't see it, I'm gonna flip my plate so it's legal. I don't know what my speed was earlier, but I passed a cop going pretty good and he did not care. I did have my plate down and he did not care. So, we are going to be headed. I do want to say, and since this is the other channel, I don't give a shit about swearing early on in the video. But I do fucking hate GoPros right now. Because I had a whole vlog for you guys the other day. And it decided to ruin all of the clips. After about 30 seconds, it cut out and just didn't record anything except audio, and it was really annoying. But the bike's running really good. It's pretty cold out. I know I should have gloves on. I don't. I need to go get new ones. But we've been cruising pretty good. Chilling to some George Strait right now. I'm gonna pass Josh's house. But yeah, so I figure I'd give you guys some updates. Life's going all right. Business is moving to, I'm going to start being super picky with customers because I don't want to be super busy in the shop. I've got plenty of stuff lined up transport-wise that's local. Josh be blowing my shit up. I'm not even going to check it. Ah, there we go. We got a guy coming. But yeah, it's pretty breezy right now. It's probably 55. That guy ran the light. It's probably 55 degrees outside right now, and my tires are not happy, but just got done. Like I said, with the gym, I gotta wear my belt, my lifting belt, but it holds my hat, so it's all right. We're gonna hit the highway, gonna try not to ride too bad. I was splitting a little bit earlier, but I need to do an oil change on this thing and just do some of the maintenance. I'd like to get a longer chain, or well, technically, I shouldn't get a longer chain yet. I want to wait and get a swing arm eventually. And but I've been so busy with some other shit, I haven't had time to work on this. We've been working on getting the bulk, so your boy's been getting fat. I've been eating about 3,500 to 4,000 calories every day. Pound of ground beef, half gallon of chocolate milk, and whatever the wife makes for dinner. And yeah, I've been maintaining 160 to 165 pounds on 3,500 to 4,000 calories every day. So, working on getting that deadlift up, trying to hit that 500-pound club by halfway through the year. That's the big goal. I'm at 450 right now as of this video, but just gonna use this as a life update video, because this is the side channel. Dude, he's still blowing my shit up. He sent me 80 texts now. But yeah, I should probably wash this thing. But we got a trip out to Indiana this weekend to go pick up a customer truck that is a lot of work. So should be fun. Easy $3,000 job. I'd like to get that done next week. But it's just cruising out in Enola. Completely legal. And we're also going to be getting black fairings, and I need to repaint this tank as well. So the whole bike's going to be black. We are going to keep some of the teal on the bike, but we're definitely doing away with the gray. I want all my vehicles black with that teal accent. My wife has the charcoal gray, this is Nardo gray, but she has the charcoal gray wheels. So I think it really pops on hers, but black with the teal accents is my shit. Always has been. It's been for a while now, but yeah. So I'm gonna get on the highway. I am not gonna film or record a lot of what I do on the highway because it just, after the whole Jixerbra thing, which it looks like he's out and everything, my boy, Fucking love watching his videos. But we are 100% legal. And that's the goal. We're going to keep this shit legal. I'm not going to be trying to do some sketchy shit. No more selling my bike and having stunt rides and shit. So, if any of you guys have a 750 for an 0405, let me know. Because I would love to swap this motor out because it's a direct swap. And keep in mind the speedo is wrong. They always read high on these fucking bikes for some reason. Nobody can make a good speedometer. Just give you guys a nice little ride along. It's a little nippy, but it's not hateful. Like, no gloves, which is absolutely stupid. None of you guys should be riding without gloves. Do not take after me. I am a complete retard. I'll bet you any money says I skid out because I don't trust these tires. I really don't trust. I haven't been leaning the bike very hard because, like, with my thing being in the shop, it's got a lot of metal in the tires. A lot of metal in the tires from, like, grinding and welding and this and that, so I just don't trust it is all. I'm just glad to be riding again. I miss this shit. Woo! Just gonna come right through here. Do-do-do. Oh yeah, there they are. I blew by him earlier. I don't know how fast I was going. The speedometer said like 90. But the speedo is way high, so I have no idea how fast I was going. Look, traffic. But yeah, you gotta realize too with this bike shit, it is not other cars' responsibilities to avoid us. If they turn into you, like, nobody can see you and shit, so it's always the rider's responsibility to dodge the cars. It is what it is. I didn't make the rules, but it's a rule. You gotta realize we're nimble. We can go through all these cars. Cars have to brake to avoid accidents. Bikes just fucking throttle. Bah! Bah! Look at that. No clutch. I don't know. How many of y'all like lane splitting and shit? I do. I love it. Oh, hell no. I ain't doing this shit. God, I love having a motorcycle. Yeah, imagine having to wait in all of this. Like, we're not going fast. Just don't get caught is the main thing. It's funny how lane splitting and filtering like this, I'm gonna be careful, those tires, I don't like that. It's funny how lane splitting is literally protected in 98% of the world, and then you come to America and it's like, we have a few states where it's legal. Oh yeah, dude, I couldn't imagine waiting in this shit. Hell yeah. That guy was nice. He moved over to let me through. I don't know why people get pressed over this shit. I'm just one less person in traffic. I'm not bothering anybody. I'm not hurting anybody. Just one less car y'all gotta wait behind. I did not expect traffic today, but man, am I glad I brought the fucking nice weather. Man, I'm glad I brought the bike today. Oh, don't be a dick, dude. I don't know if he saw me or not. Damn, everybody just like, some people are nice about it. like, that shit's legal in so many parts of the world. I can understand why Harley riders aren't, you know, shouldn't be doing it, because, like, we're not just the Harleys, but, like, the guys with really big bikes and side bags and shit. But this thing is so skinny. Alright, we're gonna slow down a little bit. Always remain vigilant. Always remain vigilant. And keep both hands on the fucking thing. Don't do what I do. I'm just vibing. I got country on right now. What am I listening to? Tracy Lawrence. Some old school country. Not super old, but old enough. I was gonna say, always look back and make sure you're not being trailed by a cop or some shit. Yeah, so you gotta be careful with guys like this. I'm just gonna go for it, because I don't want to be in between them for longer than I have to. Be careful with the semis. Those lug nuts do not feel good on the leg. They hurt when you're standing still. Imagine hitting that shit while it's moving. Like, this dude, like, this whole gap right here. There's no reason for that. Just holding up traffic and shit. Like, I can understand a space cushion, but dude, that's a fucking space cushion. This video went from a life update to let's fuck around through traffic and shit. Yeah, I don't mind this low speed shit. I like this. That dude moved over for me. Fuck this traffic. I like this though. I don't mind it. Like, one nice day comes out and everyone's like, "Oh, we forgot how to drive." And now there's a crash. Some of these people are cool as shit. Like, they'll move over. And, like, I'm not going to be mad at somebody for, like, not liking this. Oh. That guy moved over a little bit. Y'all don't, keep in mind, guys, y'all don't have to, like, move over super fast and shit. Like, I'm cool with y'all. I'm not the guy who's going to be mad at somebody if they cut me off or fucking smash a mirror and shit. Like, y'all need to chill the fuck out. We're on bikes. It's hard as shit to see us, especially when you're doing like 80 miles an hour, and then you see something like that. Yeah, there's the problem right there, that guy. I'm gonna come sneak my way through. I shouldn't be doing this in front of the cop, but don't do it. Don't you do it. DOT is out today. All that traffic because somebody decided to pull out. Like, there's no safety in that shit. Like, I understand what I'm doing is not like the most safe thing in the world, but like, if you're gonna pull over a truck and cause miles of backup, it's not about safety, it's about revenue. Like, take the guy down to the exit or some shit. I'm so scared to fucking lean this thing with how long it's been in the shop. I just don't trust it. I mean, I'm pretty sure it'll be fine, but like, I'm afraid to fucking send it into some corner and just have the front end slip out from underneath me. I've never wrecked a motorcycle and I don't want to start anytime soon. Oh, what is that? Oh, don't fucking, okay. Oh, that's a turtle! That's a turtle. I'm going back. I'm going back. I'm going back. I ain't letting that shit get hit. That's a turtle. Hey, buddy. You look scary. Alright. I'm gonna move you. That motherfucker's probably gonna snap at me. Oh, man. I don't want you on the side of the road. I'm gonna try to... Come on. That's a fucking turtle. I thought it was like a squirrel or some shit. See, that shows you how bad my vision is. Come on, little guy. There he goes. That's good. All right. I wasn't gonna let a turtle get hit, but there's my plug. For the assholes that say a tire plug is dangerous, I've had this thing plugged for a long time now. I do think that feels flat. All right, he's good. All right. Actually, you know what? Go that way. Go that way. Come on. Go. Go. Keep going. I don't want you getting hit. Save the turtles. Just because you like to be choked doesn't mean the turtles do. That's my good deed for the day. Alright, I get one speed. I'm allowed to do that one time. That fucking water's high. I don't remember it being that high.